softly but answering. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yìn Ọlọ́run o. Orúkọ rẹ̀ ga jù gbogbo orúkọ lọ. Ọba ayé ọwọ́ mi sókè lónìí. Mo fi ìyìn fún ọ Olúwa. Ẹ̀mí mi yọ̀, inú mi dùn. Nítorí ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ kò lópin.
Have you ever wondered what if this photo could actually sing? Not just move its lips, but sing with real emotion, passion, and soul. But every AI tool you find right now is either paid, locked, or it rains your video with a huge watermark. Well, don't click away because in this video, I'll show you how to make any photo sing passionately for free. And I will also reveal the secret sauce that makes your AI avatar look alive. Stay till the end because you will need the next tip in seconds. To make any photo sing, the first thing you need is your song or music. Your song or music might be an AI-generated song or a song you already love. But here's an important tip. If you plan to post that song on YouTube, make sure that the song is copyright-free. So to avoid any copyright issue, for this tutorial, I want to create a traditional Nigerian AI song. It could be either Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa with strong emotional and cultural vibes. So, once I have an idea of the kind of song I want to create, I need to generate original lyrics using ChatGPT. So I head over to ChatGPT and I gave it this prompt. I said, I want to write an original 50-second Yoruba worship praise gospel song. It should feel natural with traditional Yoruba drums and local instruments. The vibe should be uplifting, acoustic, slightly danceable, and it should include a chorus. I hit on send, and boom, within seconds, ChatGPT gave me an original praise lyrics. Now, I don't really understand Yoruba, but I really love their worship songs. So I copied the full lyrics of the song and move to the next tool. It is time for us to convert our lyrics into a song using Suno AI. So the next stop right now is Suno AI. Go to your browser and search for Suno AI. This is where we convert our lyrics which we got from ChatGPT into a real song. Make sure you sign up with your email address. Free users usually get 50 free credits and each generation costs 10 credits. So, at this very interface, click on Create. You're going to see two options, Simple and Custom. For Simple, you don't need lyrics to generate songs from this section. But for the Custom section, you need lyrics. Since I already have my lyrics, I chose Custom and then I paste in my lyrics at this particular segment. Then, you need to scroll down to the styles part, and this part matters a lot because this is where you describe how the song should feel. For me, I want the song to be uplifting, acoustic, natural, and it should have smooth vocals. I got these style ideas directly from ChatGPT. Then I'm going to click on Create. My song starts generating and Snow gives me 4 versions. 2 of the results are pro, while 2 are free. Make sure you download the free ones. Click the 3 dots, click on download, click on MP3, click on download anyway, and boom, my song is ready. Right now, we need to create the singing character image. Now, we need visuals. That is an image that will sing this song. I want my lead vocalist to be a male, and then the chorus vocal should be female. So I use ChatGPT image generation to create my characters. Why I'm using ChatGPT is because it creates clean, sharp 4K images that look amazing. But here's a secret sauce alert. The key to an expressive AI singing video is your character's posture. Your character must have visible lips, face forward. Your character should also be in a singing posture, that is, its hand raised up or its mouth open or emotional expression. All of these are very crucial. Then once I've put in my text prompts and generated my image, make sure you specify your aspect ratio in your text prompt so that it will give you according to what you want, either portrait or landscape. Make sure you download the image once it's generated. Now it's time for us to make the photo sync, that is lip syncing our photo to our already generated song. This is where the magic happens, guys. So go to your browser and search for Gemini.ai. For you to use Gemini.ai seamlessly, it is very important for you to use VPN. Yes, it is an important setup tip to avoid issues. So if you're using a phone, I recommend that you download Thunder VPN. But if you are using a laptop or a PC, Urban VPN is actually a free and a reliable VPN you can use. So once my VPN is on, I make sure I have signed up on Dreamina.ai. Then at this very section, I'm going to select AI avatar. After I selected AI avatar, I'm going to upload in my still image and also upload my song. But mind you that Gemini AI allows about 30 seconds max audio. So since my song, which I generated from Suno, is about 3 minutes long, I need to cut that song into fragments of 30 seconds, right? So you need an MP3 cutter. Go to your browser and search for MP3 cutter. Upload in your song and then trim your song uploaded audio according to the maximum seconds you need. So this means that you are going to listen to the song first, know the parts that you want to lip sync with your photo, you cut it according to the 30 seconds max, and then you upload it. So once you have uploaded your photo and your audio, there's something called expression control. It's very, very important. This right here is the bedrock for a passionate AI singing avatar. So in this text prompt section, it clearly describes how you want the lips of the image to move, the facial expression, the emotional intensity, and body motions. So I actually got this from ChatGPT. I asked it to describe how my image should lip sync my song, and it gave me that. That was what I pasted in at this very place. So make sure you put that also. So once I have done this, I clicked on create and Gemini lip sync my song with my image. I repeated this process for every section of the song. I listened to the song, cut a specific part of the song using the MP3 cutter. It is a free tool you can see online. And then I chose the right character, lip synced it, moved to the next part. That's how you get a real emotional, not a robotic AI singing avatar. So in a separate video, I might actually show you guys how to turn a full song. It might be a detailed tutorial on how to turn a full song into a complete music video that contains visuals, transitions, and everything. So if this video helped you so far, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
Me do rolling softly, but answering. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yìn Ọlọ́run o. Orúkọ rẹ̀ ga jù gbogbo orúkọ lọ. Ọba ayé ọwọ́ mi sókè lónìí. Mo fi ìyìn fún ọ Olúwa. Ẹ̀mí mi yọ̀, inú mi dùn. Nítorí ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ kọ́ ló pẹ́.